We do it all the time. We plan the trips for the family. We set the agenda. We tell them exactly what they're going to be doing, and we know that they're going to have fun. But are they? Maybe we got it all wrong, and we don't know exactly what kids today want when they go on vacation. Today we are joined by two authorities on this subject, and they are going to tell us exactly what kids want to do when they go on vacation. We have Cairo and Zara. Hello, and thanks for joining us. Very good. So, Cairo, Zara, you guys are authorities on exactly what it is that kids want to do when they go away on vacation. Do the parents have it right when they take you away? Do they know exactly what you want to do?
Not really, but most of the times they do, but not much. Not really.
No?
No.
Not really? They get it all wrong?
No, they get some of it wrong, some of it right. So
They know we want to go on vacation.
If they say so, sometimes we just want to hang out. We just want to stay in the room.
Anything else?
Yeah, and they also know that we mostly like going on trips with some of our friends.
Now, let me give you a scenario. Do you think that this would be a lot of fun if we were all to go on a trip together and you took your iPad and I took my iPad and you took your iPad and we all just sat and just on our iPad the whole time?
Oh, that would be fun to most boys, and especially me, because Minecraft and all these other games. Yeah.
So that would be a great vacation?
It wouldn't be the best vacation, but it would be a good vacation.
It would be good because you'd be on like one of the beach chairs and having one of your beach drinks. What drink did you guys like?
I don't have a favorite.
Just like trying different ones?
I just like trying new stuff.
I'm not gonna say favorite, but these are the ones I've tried. I've tried the Mickey Mouse. It's in Jamaica. Iberostar Montego Bay.
It was just really good.
It wouldn't be really nice if I was just laying down on my electronics, because you wouldn't really get to spend time with your family, and it's better to spend time with your family and learn more about your family.
Nice. Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? Yeah, and then going on hikes together,
and then
going for walks on the
adventures.
beach together.
Hikes, I would be like, I want to go on a hike.
You like hiking?
Yeah,
you like
hiking.
hiking? Now, when you go on vacation, you don't have a pool in your backyard. So what about swimming? Is that a highlight of your trip?
Yes, that is a highlight. Swimming is a highlight. I really like pools. What I would do if I saw a pool, I was like, Daddy, can I go in the pool? And then I just jump in, do a cannonball or one of my jumps.
Even in your clothes?
Nothing wrong with that. You can jump in with your clothes.
Yeah, I would just do like I would just do like cannonball or something in the pool, and I'd be swimming around in there.
Well, swimming isn't the best idea because then I went to Jamaica, my snorkel thing opened.
So you like snorkeling?
Yeah, but my snorkel thing closed, and I was like,
If after this video, you can go and subscribe to these two channels, Casey Wolchuk 32 and
If you liked what you heard today and you got a lot of value and entertainment out of what you saw here today, please consider subscribing, because we are here every single week bringing you different tips on traveling. And also, we have guests every so often that are going to give us their inside tips into some of the things that make traveling very interesting for all of us.
Can I say something? Before you guys leave, if you already subscribed, and if you're new, just hit the subscribe button. But if you're not new,
then come back again next week, because we will be here. Adios.
bye.
Bye. Ciao.
like,
guys.
subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Have a nice weekend.